heading to Anchorage 2.
Off-grid, no town, no roads.
Sailing anchor for about a week. Previously on Sailing Tela Ru, 10,500 nautical miles. That's what we've conquered with no crew, just us and our boat. And in our last episode, we celebrated this incredible milestone. Every nautical mile earned with grit, determination, and a fire that just keeps growing. The Atlantic Ocean crossed, cultures immersed. We've navigated storms, pushed through sleepless nights, and faced down the unknown. Our journey is one for the books, and we're just getting started. Our dream of circumnavigating the globe, it is alive, and we're living it one wave at a time. Now, as for today, just when we think things are smooth sailing, the unexpected happens. We already know sailing doesn't always go as planned, but you'll see that play itself out when it comes to our Anchorage situation. But that was just the beginning. Something would soon catch our attention that we nor any other bystanders could have expected. What we witness next, you'll have to see it to believe it. And if you think you know what's coming, think again, because this is the unpredictable, raw, and untamed life that we signed up for. The kind that tests nerves, decisions, and keeps you, and even us, hanging on the edge of our seat. So if you're ready to see what happens when it all goes sideways, like this video and click subscribe, because some chaos you just can't look away from.
I'm gonna go ahead and get the snubber up then.
Welcome back to Sailing Tela Ru. It's a brand new day, and we are leaving Anchorage 1, heading to Anchorage 2. Join us for the ride. It's officially 9:11 a.m. and we are going out.
Quick squeeze of coffee. Do you want some coffee?
Maybe a water. We are leaving Anchorage 1. I'm hand-steering right now, which is fun. We are heading to Anchorage numero dos. Hopefully this second Anchorage will be everything that we need it to be. We can be on the anchor for about a week.
All right, y'all, we are underway on another magical day. 10,500 nautical miles and rolling on. And nautical miles equal memories. And last night was another memorable night on the hook in a majestic setting. Off-grid, no town, no roads, no internet. Completely off-grid, disconnected, surreal feeling, y'all. And that is what we're doing here on Tela Ru. We are chasing the miles and making the memories. And y'all, as it's been said, the goal of a life well lived is to die with memories and not dreams.
I think we only have like 2 hours remaining until we get to this Anchorage. You never know when you're going to a new Anchorage how it's actually going to be when you get there. So super hopeful that we'll be able to get there. It won't be rolly and we'll be able to stay, because I'd really love to stay on the anchor for about a week. As we sail through these stunning waters, we capture more than just the views. We share moments from every single sail with our Patreon members. That includes exclusive, tasteful bathing suit photos that capture the beauty of life at sea, shared only with those who support us behind the scenes. And if you want to see the full collection from this sail and every adventure since March, click the link in the top right-hand corner to join us on Patreon. You've got nothing to lose. Try it out. I'm gonna sit my tail down. We got to this spot that is supposed to be the super protected bay that we were gonna anchor in, and it is white capping. I really wanted to be on the anchor for the next week, but we're gonna sail the rest of the day onwards, I believe, to a marina. So wanted to be on the anchor, but we're going to the marina. Oh well, we're still out here doing something really epic, so I mean, I can't make sad faces over that. something about starting the day with a sunrise that changes everything. And on this morning, as we stepped onto land from the deck of our boat, the glow of the sun breaking over the horizon was almost as breathtaking as it is from our boat when anchored in serene waters. Almost. The waves crashed violently against the shore, sending mist into the air and carrying an unmistakable scent of salt and stone, pure and raw, a mineral scent heavy in the air. You could feel the power of the ocean in every breath, and it was apparent that the sea had woken up long before the rising sun. In moments like these, this life, this wild, unpredictable adventure means everything. Walking this path at sunrise, with the sun's warmth on our faces, we felt invincible, as if the world was gifting us a perfect beginning to a brand new day. We had a surprise visitor aboard Tela Ru. This dove appeared to have an injury beneath its wing, but when Sean attempted to offer it some help, the bird flew off. Hopefully, that means the injury wasn't too severe. This unexpected event right here in the marina where we were docked was something we never imagined witnessing on our journey around the world. We're still not sure whose boat went up in flames, but thankfully it didn't seem like anyone on board was hurt. Still, seeing a nearby sailboat engulfed in smoke, it's enough to send a shockwave through anyone. For the owners of that boat, it was surely a day they'll never forget, but it could have been so much worse. By the time we returned from our evening walk, the smoke had mostly cleared and it appeared everything was under control, thank goodness. And thank y'all for tuning in to this week's episode. We'll see y'all next time on Sailing Tela Ru.